Hi there, and welcome to All About Materials and Engineering. The name says it's all. This channel is dedicated to providing informative and educational videos on a wide range of materials and engineering topics. At All About Material and Engineering, our goal is simple: deliver quality engineering education, clear up misconceptions, spark a passion of engineering, and simplify complex technology so that they are easy to understand. Let's go into our video today. In this video, we are going to see about the welding gauges which we use in day-to-day activities. In this video, we are going to see about weld gauges. Weld gauges are an essential tool for inspecting and measuring of the welds to ensure they meet the quality and safety standards. They are widely used by certified welding inspectors for tasks such as checking alignment, verifying weld dimensions, measuring porosities, and ensuring compliance with engineering specifications. Gauges can be single purpose or multi-purpose, catering to specific inspection needs. The different types of weld gauges are fillet weld gauges. It is used to measure the size of fillet welds, including leg length and throat thickness. High-low gauge. It is used to measure internal alignment in pipes and root gap dimensions. Pipe internal alignment gauge. It ensures proper alignment of pipes sections before welding. Brick gap gauge. It is also called as universal welding gauges. It is used to measure multiple parameters such as weld size, angle, undercut depth, and misalignment. Porosity gauge. It is used to measure the size and distribution of porosity in welds. Taper and bevel gauge. It is used to measure the angle and depth of bevels for proper joint inspection. Undercut gauge. It is used to measure the depth of undercuts along the weld beads. Our mission is to explain concepts in a way that not only helps you grasp them better but also makes them easier to remember. If you are ready to learn, grow, and explore the world of engineering with us, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay connected. Together, let us make engineering simple, exciting, and fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. See you in the next video.